Walk.
I'm too depressed.
Walk.
I hate you for making me do this. I love you for making me do this.
My human is sad.
Oh my God! Have you tried wagging your tail?
Yes.
Have you tried licking his face?
Yes.
Have you tried doing both at the same time?
Oh my God, you're a genius.
Give us a hug.
Never.
Give us a hug.
Never. Finally, they're asleep.
We're having separation anxiety issues.
Well, there is medication, but first you should try training your dog.
Oh no, I'm the one with the problem.